सप्तमाध्यायः विज्ञानयोगः। Chapter 7. श्रीभगवानुवाच मयि असक्तमनः पार्थ योगं युञ्जन्मदाश्रया असंशया समग्रं मां यथा ज्ञायसि तच्छृणु. Shri Bhagavan said, O Partha, now hear how you will know me in full by practicing Bhakti Yoga with your mind attached to me, taking full shelter of me alone, being free from all doubt. Jnanam teham savijnanam idam vakshayami asheshatah yaj gyatva neha bhuyo anyaj gyattvayam avashishyate. I shall reveal to you in full this Gyan, enriched with Vigyan, realization. When you know this, there will remain nothing further to be known in this world. Manushyanam sahastreshu kaschid yatati siddhaye yatatam api siddhanam kaschin mam veti tatvatah. Among thousands of men, one may endeavor for perfection, and among those who attain perfection, it is rare for even one to know my Swarup in truth. Bhumir apo analo vayuh kham mano buddhireva cha ahankar ityam me bhinna prakritir ashtadha. My external material energy has 8 divisions: earth, water, fire, air, ether, mind, intelligence, and false ego. Aparayam itastavanyam prakritim vidhi me param jiva bhuta mahabaho yayedam dharyete jagat. O Mahabaho, you should know that my external energy, which consists of 8 divisions, is inferior. There is another potency of mine known as the Jiva Sarup, which is superior and which accepts this material world for the purpose of enjoying the fruits of karma. Etad yonini bhutani sarvaniti upadharaya aham krishnasya jagataha prabhavaha pralayastatha. Know that all created beings have been born from these 2 prakritis. I alone am the sole cause of the creation and destruction of the entire universe. Mataha param taram nanya kinchidasti dhananjaya mai sarvam idam protam sutre mani ganaiva. O Dhananjaya, there is nothing superior to me. This whole universe is dependent on me like jewels strung on a thread. Rasoham apsu kaunteya prabhasmi shashi surjayo pranavah sarva vedeshu shabdah ke porosham nirshu. O Kaunteya, I am the taste in water, the radiance of the moon and sun, and the syllable Om in all Vedic mantras. I am the sound in ether and the ability in man. Punyo gandaha prithvayam cha tejas chasmi vibhasvaso jivanam sarvbhuteshu tapaschasmi tapasvishu. I am the pure fragrance of the earth, the heat in fire, the life in all beings, and the austerity of the ecstatics. Bijam mam sarvabhutanam vidhi partha sanatanam buddhir buddhi matam asmi tejas tejasmi namaham. O Partha, know me to be the eternal cause of all beings. I am the intelligence of the intelligent and the prowess of the powerful. Balam balavatvam chaham kama raga vivarjitam dharma viruddhayo bhuteshu kamo asmi bharatshabha. O best of the Bharat dynasty, I am the strength of the strong, free from attachment and desire. In all beings, I am sexual union in accordance with dharma for the purpose of procreation alone. Ye chaiva satvika bhavaha राजसस्तामसा चाये मत एवेति तान् विद्धि नात्वाहं तेषु ते मयि. Know that all states of existence, sattvic, rajasic and tamasic, are manifested by the modes of my material energy. I am not subject to these modes, for they are all under the control of my energy. त्रिभिर्गुणर्मयिर्भावैरिभिः सर्वम् इदं जगत् मोहितं नाभिजानाति मामेभ्यः परम् अव्ययम्. Deluded by these three states of existence, Sattvaguna, Rajaguna and Tamaguna, the whole world does not know me, who am beyond the modes and imperishable. Devi hi esha gunamayi mama maya durattaya mam eva ye prapadyante maya metam taranti te. This external energy of mine, which consists of the three gunas and which bewilders the jivas, is certainly very difficult to overcome. But those who take exclusive shelter of me can easily transcend this maya. Namam dushkriteno mudaha prapadayante naradhamaha mayaya aprato jnana asuram bhavamashrita. Those miscreants and fools who are devoid of discrimination, who are the lowest among human beings, whose knowledge has been completely stolen by Maya, and who have an asuric nature, do not surrender unto me. Chaturvida bhajante mam janaha sukritano arjuna artho jigyasu artharthi jnani cha bharatarshava. O best of the Bharat dynasty, there are four types of pious men who perform my bhajan: the distressed, Artha; the inquisitive, Jigyasu; the seeker of wealth, Artharthi; and the man of wisdom, Jnani. Tesham jnani nitya yukta eka bhaktir vishishayate priyo hi jnani no arthi artham aham sacha mam priyaha. The Tattvavid Jnani, my exclusive devotee whose thoughts are always fixed on me, is the best of these because I am very dear to him and he is very dear to me. Udaraha sarvaha evete jnani tavatma eva me matam astittaha sahi yuktatma mam evanu uttamam gatim. Though these are all certainly great souls, I consider the Jnani to be as dear to me as my own self. Since his thoughts dwell always in me, he takes determined shelter of me as his supreme destination. Bahunam janmanam ante jnanavan mam prapadyete vasudeva sarvamiti sa mahatma sudurlabha. After many births of spiritual practice, the Jnani who is endowed with knowledge that everything both conscious and inert is related to Vasudeva surrenders himself fully to me and performs bhajan to me. Such a Mahatma is extremely rare. Kamastair hite jnanaha prapadayante anya devataha tam niyamam asthaya prakritaya niyataha svaya. Those whose intelligence has been stolen by material desires and who try to illuminate their distress follow the rules of worship for a particular deva who can fulfill their desires. Thus, being swept away by their own nature, they worship such devas. Yo yam tanu bhaktaha shadhyarchitum icchati tasya chalam shraddham tam eva viddhadhamayaham. Whichever devta the fruitive devotee wants to faithfully worship, I, as the indwelling Antaryami, makes his faith in that particular devta unflinching. स तया श्रद्धया युक्ता तस्याराधनामिहते लभते च तथा कामा मय एव विहितान् हितान्. Endowed with such Shraddha, he attempts to worship that particular Devata and thus attains fulfillment of his desires, which in actuality are granted by me alone. Antavattu phalam tesham tadbhavati alpamedasam devan deva yajo yanti madbhakta yanti mamapi. However, the fruit attained by such men of meager intelligence is perishable. The worshippers of the Devatas go to their planets, whereas my Bhaktas come to me. Avyaktam vyakti mapananam manyate mama buddhaya param bhavam ajananto mama avayayam anuttamam. The unintelligent consider that I, who am unmanifest and beyond mundane existence, take birth like an ordinary human being. They do not know the supreme, excellent, immutable, and transcendental nature of my form, birth, pastimes, and qualities. Naham prakasha sarvasya yoga maya samavritaha mudoyam na vijanati loko mam ajam avayam. I am not manifest to all. To the foolish, I am veiled by my yogmaya potency. Therefore, they do not know my unborn and imperishable Sarup. Vedaham samiti tani vartamanini cha Arjuna bhavishyani cha bhutani mam tu vedana kaschan. O Arjun, I know all the moving and non-moving beings of the past, present and future, but me no one knows. Ichha dvesha samuthena dvandva mohena bharata sarva bhutani sammoham sarge yanti parantapa. O sign of Bharata, O Parantapa, at the time of creation all jivas enter into complete illusion, bewildered by the dualities of happiness and distress, which are born of desire and hate. Yesham tav antagatam papam jananam punya karmanam te dvanda moha nirumukta bhajante mam didvataha. However, those pious persons whose sin have been eradicated become free from the bewilderment of duality and engage in my bhajan with firm determination. Jara marana mokshaya mamashrita yatanti ye te brahma tad vidhu krishnam adhyatmam karma cha akhilam. Those who strive for liberation from old age and death by taking refuge of me attain knowledge of Brahm, of the pure constitutional nature of the jiva, and an understanding of the principle of karma, which is the cause of their bondage to the material world. Sadi bhutadi deve mam sadhi yajna cha ye vidhu prayana kale api cha mam te vidhur yukta chetasaha. Those who know me as the presiding deity, governing principle of Adi Bhuta, Adi Deva, and Adi Yajna, and whose minds are attached to me, remember me even at the time of death. Iti Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishadsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjun Samvade Vijnana Yogo Nama Saptamo Adhyayah.